In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to OpenAI using Zapier. This integration opens up a world of automation possibilities by allowing you to effortlessly transfer data between Jotform and OpenAI. Let's jump right into the process, which is simple yet incredibly powerful once set up. First, head over to jotform.com. On the sign-in page, you will be presented with multiple options to access your account. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can use your email address and password combination. Once you are in, navigate to the specific form that you want to modify for this integration. With your form open, shift your attention to the orange navigation bar located at the top of the form builder page. You'll want to click on the settings option to begin configuring your form for integration purposes. This is where we'll set the stage for our Zapier connection. Once you're in the settings menu, take a look at the left hand side where you'll see a menu listing. From here, go ahead and select integrations. This is your gateway to connecting your form with various services. In the integrations menu, you're going to search for Zapier. Type Zapier into the search field and click on it when it appears. This step is crucial as it enables you to bridge Jotform with other applications like OpenAI through Zapier's automation capabilities. After selecting Zapier, your next step is to search for either OpenAI or ChatGPT within the Zapier interface. This will help you find the specific automation or Zap that you need to connect Jotform with OpenAI's platform. Once you've located the right Zap for your needs, look for the option that says use this Zap and go ahead and click it. This will prompt you to map your Jotform submission data to the corresponding fields in OpenAI. This mapping process is critical as it determines how your form data will be interpreted and used by OpenAI. With your fields mapped, take a moment to review everything in the configuration. Ensuring accuracy here will save you time and prevent errors once the automation is live. When you're satisfied with how everything is set up, you can proceed to turn on the Zap. By activating the Zap, you are essentially turning on your automation, allowing data to flow seamlessly from Jotform to OpenAI. This move can significantly streamline your workflow by reducing manual data entry and ensuring that tasks are performed consistently and efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Jotform to OpenAI using Zapier. This powerful integration can help automate and simplify many of your business processes, allowing you more time to focus on what really matters. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.